This is what is called a laid-back chicken. You cut it down the back and then you lay it out in the pan. Red onions, white potatoes, and carrots. Now I'm going to put some oil over it and throw it in the oven. Then I'm going to take in that and get up and make me a nice meal since I can't go out and play in traffic. Supper's ready. Now that was a good bird. Fell off the bone.
To work its way through the criminal justice system, she could be here where she's getting a lot of hands-on attention, lots of love and affection, as well as really great obedience training. Victoria's future is still unclear. There is a criminal case. Once that's resolved, the judge will decide where the pup goes next. And of course, tell about Victoria's attorney, which charges.
Fox 5 is bringing you live coverage tonight as President Trump accepts his party's nomination.
combined with the rainfall. So with a storm surge 15 to 20 feet, and then you add in possibly over
got a video that has been processing for 7 days now. 7 days! And it couldn't be over 3 minutes long. Got 2 more videos that I put together with your movie making option. Be able to edit videos and make longer videos out of it. And they are not processing. It's your problem to fix, not mine. Has nothing to do with the internet or service, anything like that. It has to do with that app. And y'all need to fix it. I know. It's getting ridiculous.